Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing a review on my Fit bike. Okay, so start out from top to bottom. Alright, so we have orange Black Ops grips with some, I think, Fit bar ends, both sides. Then we have a brake. Then we have the Fit bike bars right here. Then I think we have the Fit stem. And then the forks, I think, are Fit. And then we have a Fit bike tire. And a Maxxis rim, white. Or no, silver. Sorry. Then we have a Fit bike frame. Then we have Fit, we have Fit, whatever these are. Then we have Wellgo pedals, metal pedals. Then we have a Fit bike seat. Then we have a Holy roller and a Maxxis black rim. And I think then my sprocket, it is a Fit sprocket with a Fit chain. And yeah, that's all.